How to fix product activation failed in Microsoft Excel. So if you want to fix product activation failed in your Microsoft Excel, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your file manager. After opening your file manager, now you just need simply scroll down and here you need to go with this PC. Under this PC, you need to go with local disk C, and under local disk C, you need to scroll down a bit and go with program files into 86. And once you open this, now here you need to scroll down and you need to find Microsoft Office folder. If you don't find the Microsoft Office folder in this one, then you can go back and you can open up your program files. After opening your program files, you may have the Microsoft Office. After opening Microsoft Office, you can go with Office 16 or you may have Office 15 or 14. So in my case, I have 16. You can double click on it and here you will have this folder, right? OSPPREARM. So you need to right click on this and first select the folder and then right click on it and go with run as administrator. You need to do this 3 times. So click on run as administrator and click on yes. And again, go with the folder, right click on it, go with run as administrator. In this way, if you do this 3 times, then you can just simply go and restart your device. And after that, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.